Hi friends, during this COVID pandemic, it's difficult for you to keep your mind positive. If you try to convince your mind saying that everything will be okay, but you cannot convince your mind because 80% of your internal conversations are negative right now. So you cannot defeat your mind to think positive and you are lending to the negativity. So today we have taken one story by which you would be able to convince your mind that everything will be okay. There was a drought situation in region. Everyone was praying for the rain. There was no water even to drink in the region. The king was extremely worried about the situation. Once the king was practicing with his sword and his favorite minister was standing there. During the sword practice, the king cut down his own thumb by mistake and he was suffering from great pain. At the same time, the minister said, "Everything happens for the best." Listening such comments from the minister, the king became very angry on him. The king ordered to put his favorite minister in the jail. After some days, the king went for hunting with his soldiers. Because of the drought situation, the king had to go deep into the forest to find the prey. In deep forest, some tribal people were living. They caught the king and his soldiers and presented them in front of the leader of tribes. It was a strong belief in tribal people that if they sacrifice a strong, complete man, they can get the rain. To get the rain, the tribal leader chose the king to sacrifice. The tribal people started the sacrifice ceremony of the king. During the ceremony, the old man found that the king had only one thumb. So he informed the leader that the king is not a complete man. The leader ordered to stop king's sacrifice ceremony and chose a strongest complete man among the soldiers. The soldier was sacrificed and the leader released king and the rest of soldiers. The king was going back to his palace. During his way, he was thinking that a thumb had saved his life. The king realized the words of his favorite minister, "Everything happens for the best," and he agreed that. Reaching the palace, the king met the favorite minister and apologized to him and said, "You are right. Everything happens for the best." But the minister thanked the king for sending him in jail. The king was astonished. The king said to the minister, "You are thanking me to sending you in jail?" The minister replied, "Yes, my lord." The minister explained the reason. If you had not put me in the jail, I would have come with you for hunting. If I had come with you for hunting, I would have been caught with you by the tribes, and I would have become the second strongest complete man after you, and I would have been sacrificed instead of that soldier. So I am thanking you for saving my life. The king and the minister spoke out together. Everything happens for the best. So the story says that everything happens for the best, but it takes time. So friends, wait and watch. This pandemic will be beneficial for us in future. Thank you.